I'm Sparky with Petty's Garage. Today we're going to be installing tie-down brackets for Challengers and Chargers. This is what it's going to look like when it's shipped to you. It's going to have two 13mm bolts that hold it to the vehicle. They're going to attach to the subframe in this area right here. They slide in from the front and then bolt down through two bolt holes in the bottom. So now we're at the back of the vehicle. We're going to be installing this rear bracket. It goes to the bolt here on the front lower control arm underneath the subframe for the rear. You're going to need two 18mm wrenches to take the bolt loose, and the bolt goes through the front side of the bracket, back through the hole, tighten it back up, and you're done.